Getting a new PC or upgrading your old one depends on your use case, budget, and how future-proof your current setup is. Here's a breakdown of when to upgrade versus when to buy a new PC. Upgrade your PC if your core components are still good. If your CPU and motherboard are still relevant, upgrading the GPU, RAM, or storage can give you a solid performance boost. Your needs have grown. If you're moving into gaming, content creation, or machine learning, adding more RAM, SSDs, or a better GPU is a smart move. You want to save money. Individual upgrades are often cheaper than buying a whole new system. Your case and cooling are good. A good case with proper airflow and a strong power supply means you can swap parts easily. Buy a new PC if your CPU and motherboard are outdated. If you're running a severely outdated platform, an upgrade won't help much. Upgrades would cost as much as a new build. If upgrading your GPU, CPU, RAM, and PSU ends up costing 70 to 80% of a new build, it's better to just go all in on a new system. You're switching form factors. Moving from a bulky ATX tower to an SFF build or vice versa requires new components anyway. Your system is bottlenecked. If your old CPU is choking a new GPU or your old storage is slowing down workflows, a fresh build ensures everything runs smoothly. Hybrid approach, partial upgrade now, full build later. Upgrade your GPU, SSD, or RAM first to stretch your current setup's life. Then, after 1 to 2 years, build a completely new system and reuse any salvageable parts. TLDR, upgrade if your platform is still solid, but if you're stuck on old tech, a full rebuild is a smarter long-term move. What's your current PC setup? I can help assess if it's worth upgrading.